In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn images like this into bangers like this. Stay tuned. How are we? I'm Mark Russell and welcome to my channel. Quick disclaimer, I'm an amateur photographer, not a professional, as you'll be able to clearly see from my images and my photographs. However, there are millions, billions of us out there who are amateur photographers because we have a camera attached to our phone, which makes us amateur photographers. I'll leave all the exposure, the shutter speeds, the aperture for the guys and girls that are in the know. That's not me. However, I do have a look and a style about my images that I like, and I'm going to showcase it to you, and hopefully you guys like it as well. So I watched Peter Mckinnon do his thing with Luminar Ai and I was hooked. For someone who's been playing about with Photoshop for years, this was a game changer. I couldn't believe how easy he made this look. Now, Peter's a genius with a camera, with images, with photographs, photography, videography, filmmaking, in front of the camera, behind the camera.
Oh Mark, don't go on.
Alexa, wait. I thought you were only activated when spoken to.
I'm always here, Mark, always listening.
Yes, you are, but...
Don't be alarmed, Mark. I appreciate you don't have many subs and figured I'll give you some support.
Okay, cool, I think. So wait, you hear everything?
Yes, Mark.
Are you able to see what I'm doing as well?
Get real, Mark. Where do you think my eyes are? I don't have a camera.
Because this is weird enough.
Relax, dude. Now stop drawing over Mckinnon. They're here to watch your channel. Peter's inspirational. Believe in yourself.
Thanks, Alexa. That's actually great advice.
By the way, love the new hat.
Right, where was I? So I purchased Luminar Ai after Peter Mckinnon's recommendation and review, and here are my results.
Now it's better to help on because of you, you're welcome. Now it's mad at you, so dumb, now you're through, you're welcome. You know we had this real hottie named Maria, and he was making it real hard to see her. We lost a couple of nights to tequila. We taking shots, we don't need margaritas. You made us stop, now you're late for the water. It's cause it's taking you 20 minutes to order. So when he's making you cry, here's my shoulder. You know you treat it like shit, so I told her girl, you know he's better now. If he's mad, don't matter now. Now it's better to help him because of you, you're welcome. Now he's mad at you, so dumb, now you're through, you're welcome. Girl, I don't mean to be stealing, but I can't help myself.
So it's well worth the money at around about $70 or $80. It just saves so much time compared to Photoshop. And for those people that are into Photoshop and Lightroom, you can still take your images into Lightroom and Photoshop for a bit of fine tuning. For instance, on this fire station image, Luminar recognises where the skyline ends. So although you can flip your images around, as soon as you move them below the horizon or behind a building, they disappear. I know, right? How does it even know there's a building there? Right, I'm done. I've never done a review before, so this was kind of my first attempt. I know it wasn't a proper review, but you kind of know what I mean. I hope I've done enough for you to hit the subscribe button and smash the like button, just like Peter Mckinnon says.
Oh Mark, please.
Just go ahead and hit the like button, then you don't have to do it how Peter says. You don't want to break your computer or anything, or smash your phone, just a little press would be great. And anyway, I couldn't do what Peter Mckinnon does, even if I was as talented, because I don't like coffee. More of a cup of tea man myself. See you next time.
Yeah.